this is Olivia. Welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click the thumbs up sign and the notification bell. Today, I'm still here at Mabini, Batangas, and I'm going to show you our room tour. So, let's go to our room. By the way, I'm here at Vivire, Azure, here in Mabini, Batangas. Okay, let's start. The Zephyr. And there's a door here. So we're gonna open it. And outside there's a lounge area. And there's a fan over here. And it's overlooking the beach. Okay. Yeah, it's cozy here. It's cozy to just sit here and relax. And that's the beach. We have the beach view. Yan, meron siguro they are having their island hopping tour. Okay. And this is the door going inside our room. Open it. Let's open the door. This is the view inside the room. When you come in the door, you are greeted by a TV set and a small table with a lamp, and that's me. Okay, and the bed is facing the ocean. It's a king size bed. There's lamok. Sisisihin na naman ako, hindi daw ako nagsara ng pinto. Okay. And beside there's a day bed here. Onward, the AC is over there. There's a plant, and there's a cabinet here. I put all our things there already, not all, mine. And this is the ref. And there's one water inside. There's no water. Why is it there's no water? Because the two waters are here. Okay. And there's an espresso machine. And it has four cups. Okay. The dresser, and there's another big cabinet over here, and there's bathroom bag, laundry bag, if you safe, and slippers, and hair dryer. There's a sink over here, and to the right is the shower room. There's a glass door. Glass door for the shower room. And there's a sliding door for the toilet. And it's the toilet. Go back to the room. Oh, why is it there's hagdanan over here? Looks like a hagdanan. Yeah. Let's go back to the room. When you come in, there's a day bed here. There's another day bed, and they have this one table if you want to work. There's a letter there welcoming us. Okay, that's the room tour for Zephyr. And thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye. I hope you enjoyed this video. God bless us all. Bye. I'm going to show you later the foods that we eat naman. We have three meals. We have dinner later and breakfast and lunch. So I'll show you the foods that we eat here. Okay. Beautiful, beautiful. Bulgogi. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. God bless us all. See you all again next time. Bye-bye.